The Mares plastic insoles may not look like much, but these are actually, can be a lifesaver. So what we use these for is if you're in between a shoe size, right? So you wear a size 9 shoe and you don't quite fit into the 7/8 foot pocket, but the 9/10 is just too big. You've tried using 3mm booties and it's just still a little sloppy in your foot pocket, then these plastic inserts make all the difference. So you cut these guys off and then there's 3 different sizes to choose from, right? So it gives you a little size chart on the side. So you've got C, which is the biggest one, right? Then B, then A, and those all correspond to what size you should use. The other thing that's really nice about this, as opposed to just taking up room in your foot pocket, and it almost kind of gains you like about a half size or a quarter size, is that they're pretty rigid as well, right? So as you slip these into your foot pocket, if your foot pocket is pretty weak in the fact that it's either really old or it just was manufactured to where it doesn't have the strength and rigidity of some of the nicer foot pockets, this is a really cheap upgrade to allow your foot pocket to give you more of that kind of stable platform that you're looking for as in some of the nicer foot pockets that are out there. So super easy, super cheap option to kind of improve your foot pockets, the Mares plastic insoles.